9057 McGinnis. This is a short driveway. Parking here, doggy bag area there. Tile. There actually needs to be touch up, which you don't normally see in an open door home. Usually they paint. The walls are blue, as you can see, not the best paint job. Definitely need Jenny's recommendation on whether or not it needs to be touched up, or if it's fine. Undermount, we have a backsplash, upgraded light fixtures, beautiful range. Upgraded water fixture. Touch up here, upgraded light fixture. So we do need blinds, so we'll get some 2.5 inch color blinds for that. We'll see what Jenny recommends about this door. Very, very small yard, and that's the neighbor. So I'm going to start counting windows. 1, 2, 3. And here's the powder room. Oh, sorry, this is definitely not a powder room, it's a closet. So we're at 1, 2. These walls are tan. 3. Carpet looks good, just needs a good cleaning, which is every property because lots of traffic with showings. Paint actually looks better upstairs overall. This is a large room. Upstairs we have 1, 2, we have one more door that needs blinds. So upstairs we have 1, 2, 3 windows. We need a shower rod and touch up. So 1, 2, 3. Laundry upstairs. Okay, so we have to be stacked. Vinyl. Windows, upgraded fixture, plus it's a fan, so that's a benefit. Upgraded water fixture, tile. Now see cracks or hear creaking. Need a shower rod. So the tile was probably installed correctly. Purple. This room is purple. Little rolls in the carpet that could be stretched if necessary, probably necessary. Okay, that's the property.